Hi guys. Sorry for not showing my face. Good afternoon, welcome to Graham's vlog. It is a Toyota J&M meet at Tukai Forest. Not just Toyota, matter of fact, it's all J&M cars. So we and my brother just arrived here. Look at this beauty. The yellow 200 Nissan SX. So there's quite a few beautiful cars that came up here, like the Nissan GTXs. The white and the red one just pulled up now. The grey and blue. There's another one standing over there for you. Hello? Fun it, alright? Right, there's your Lexuses. There's your Hondas. There as well. So yeah guys, it's at Tukai Forest. And there's a Toyotas over there. So yeah, we just came out for today. We're not gonna stay too long. I just thought I'd make some videos. Look around. So, first Nissan I see on E.